good evening everyone, good day everyone. Ayan, I have the original rejuvenating set here by Dr. Alvin. Ayan, let's try. I want to try this and let's do unboxing, guys. And let's see what's inside, guys. What's included. There is this one, the soup, Dr. Alvin Kojic acid soup. Ayan, 3 days. Whitens as early as 3 days. Let's see, guys. I want to try this, if it's true. And I have the rejuvenating toner. Ayan, this is included with this set, guys. Rejuvenating set. And we have sunscreen. Ayan. And what else we have? And this is the rejuvenating cream. Ayan, for external use only. Ayan, let's try this for 1 month, guys. Let's see if it works in my face. And this is all the set, guys. And this is all the set. Let's try. They said I can use only for 30 to 60 days. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.